Hello, welcome to all to my classes. In this video, I am going to add to my playlist one more subject, that is mathematics. In that mathematics, I wanted to discuss with you about Vedic maths. The main aim to start this playlist is to eradicate the fear of mathematics among children. Most of the children are getting high score in all other subjects like English, science and social studies and computer sciences and all that. But they are unable to get good score in mathematics. Due to this lack of skill, they are unable to success in various entrance examinations also. But Vedic mathematics is a set of techniques and also set of formulas and sub-formulas to acquire a knowledge of quick maths. By using these techniques, one can do the calculations in very easy manner and in very quick manner. Vedic means what? It is a Sanskrit word. It comes from Vedas. So Rig Veda. By using these Vedic tricks, we can able to do our calculations in a very quick manner, very easy manner. It is a set of instructions, set of rules. This was introduced by our Indian mathematician Jagadguru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji in the year AD 1911 to 1918. By using these techniques, children can acquire a knowledge of doing sums in a very easy manner and also in very accurate manner. And also it can boost children's self-confidence. While doing mathematics, one can acquire the self-confidence is very much important. If lack of anything means, no problem, we can adjust. Lack of self-confidence means we cannot do anything. Lack of money, we can achieve. Lack of knowledge, we can achieve. But lack of self-confidence, we cannot achieve anything. So this Vedic mathematics can improve child's self-confidence to do mathematics. Let us start our class. Hope you all will get benefit of this playlist. If you will like this class, please give a like and also share among your friends. Then all will get benefit of this videos. Thank you. Let us start our class. Let us start our class, Vedic mathematics. Today's topic is addition. First of all, before going to start the addition in Vedic mathematics, let us discuss about how children are doing addition in schools. Okay? Suppose 6 plus 4 is there. Children are doing, they are keeping first number in the mind and the second number in the fingers, and they are counting fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that, children are counting the numbers. But in my opinion, there are, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. In our days also, our teachers are used to teach the combinations in addition. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Like that, up to 9 plus 9. If we will do so many combinations also, the last number we will get 18 only. Because 9 plus 9, it is equal to 18. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So, if we will start from 1 plus 1 to 9 plus 9 also, you will get 100 combinations you will get. You will get 100 combinations. How many combinations you will get? You will get 100 combinations. If children will thorough all these combinations, they should be the master of additions. Isn't it? Children, you will learn it. If you want to master of the additions, you should know thoroughly all these combinations from 1 plus 1 to 9 plus 9. 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 4, 5. Again, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 5, 7, 2 plus 6, 8. Like that up to 9 plus 9, 18. If you will get all these combinations thoroughly, you will be the master of the additions. First of all, you should learn this concept first. Okay? Now, let us go to our topic. See now, here 16, 15, 13, 12, 19, 17, like this happened. So, in every number, here I wrote 2-digit numbers. So, in these 2 digits, first number is 1's place and the second one is the 10's place. You all know that. So, for this, here I am writing. Here I am splitting the 2-digit number into 10s and 1s. Here 16 means 10 plus 6. Is there any objection for you? No? Same no? 16 means 10 plus 6. Okay? Again, here 15 means 10 plus 5. Here 13 means 10 plus 3. Okay? 10 plus 3. Again, here 12 means 10 plus 2. 19, 10 plus 9. 17, 10 plus 7. Okay? Here I am taking the 2-digit number. Here I am splitting the number into 1s and 10s. Okay? 17 means 10 plus 7. It's okay? Okay, children? Now, see, for putting this 10, I am taking as a bar or as a dot. Instead of this 10, here I am taking as a bar. Instead of 10, here I am taking as a bar. So, see, bar. So, bar 6, bar 5, bar 3, bar 2, bar 9, bar 7. Just dash. Okay? Okay? First of all, see this. Okay, are you understood? Now, let us start our addition in Vedic mathematics by using bars. See, this method is called dot method. Dot method or bar method. Or bar method. And instead of using bar, you can also take dot. Okay? Now see children. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In our school methods, children will take 1 plus 2, 1 in the mind, starting from here. They will come starting from here. 6 in the mind, 5 in the finger, 11 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 12, 13, 14, 15 in the mind, 3 in the finger. Like that they are taking. So, from upside to downside. Up to down in school methods. But in Vedic methods, here I am doing addition from down to up. From down to up. See the difference, all of you. In our school methods, we are doing addition from upside to downside, but in bar methods, here I am doing addition from down to up. And also remember all the mathematics addition combinations of 1 plus 1 to 9 plus 9. Then you can able to do this addition very easily and also very quickly. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Means only 1 bar. No units place. Again, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 means 10, 1. This one will come down here. Now here you just count how many bars are there. 1 and 2. Here the answer is 21. Here the answer is 21. Okay. Again, if you want to know, and we will do some more examples. And you can able to understand very easily. See, 5, 7, 9, 3, 4, 6, 2, 6, 5, 4. So many numbers you can do. No problem at all. Okay. Now, we will start this from the down to up or up to down. And we will do the addition from down to up. See, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 10, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 10, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10 means only 10. Only bar. No units place. Again, 9 plus 7, 16. 10, 6 is there. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 means 10, 1. So here, no numbers are there. So we should carry the 1 here to the ones place. 1 to ones place. That 1 to ones place. Now count the bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 51. Okay, understood? Again, we will do some more examples. And you can able to understand very thoroughly. Do 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1, 7, 9. Anything. Now, again, from down to up, 9 plus 7. You should know the combinations well. 9 plus 7, 16. 10, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Again, 7 plus 4, 11. 10, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 10, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. Only single digit means no need of putting any bar. So here 9 plus 7, 16. So bar 6. Okay. Now 7, 11, 6, 12. 2 is there. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 8, 6, 17. Bar 7. Again 9 plus 7, 16. Bar 6. Now 16 came. Now here I kept 1 bar and also here in ones place, in the units place, 6. Now count the bars 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 56 is the answer. Like this you can able to do so many calculations. Okay children, hope you all understood the concept of bar method. In my next video I will discuss with you the 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits addition by using this bar method. In the meantime, you all will get by heart all the combinations of addition 1 plus 1 to 9 plus 9. Hope you all will like this video. If you will like this video, please give a like to me. Then I can able to do more videos like this. Thank you children. Thank you very much.